Emperor N5 is middle-end hand-carried ultrasound diagnostic system. With multifunctional trolley and fashion-carrying bag, N5 is easy to transport anywhere. The system consists of control panel, monitor, 2 probe connectors, 4 USB ports, power input port, DICOM 3.0 network port, 1 VGA video output port, printer port, 2 transducer holders, and 1 coupling gel holder. The layout of control panel is divided into several parts according to its function. The shortcut keys, patient management area, save and print area, main control area, image adjustment area, and keyboard. When the system is test over, it will enter into B mode. Before scanning, first please press Preset button to set some regular parameters. Enter the presetting interface, and such items will be displayed on the screen, including system settings, department preset, measuring method setting, and system upgrade. Remove the cursor location by rolling trackball in the dialog box. Click the button Exit or press the key ESC to exit the presetting interface. In general settings, the user can input the name of the hospital, date and time, language choose, printer setting, and file name method. In option settings, the user can turn on or off measure line, center line, and biopsy line. Also, they can choose the zoom mode under B mode, partial zoom or picture-in-picture. In department preset, the user can set different parameters for different department. And when the user switches into a certain department, N5 will automatically adjust the parameters into the value the user preset for this department. At last, you can choose dot single plane, dot spy plane, or bullet in the measuring method settings of cardiology. Before ultrasound examining, the new patient information must be input correctly, so that the image operation, measurement, and report can be processed properly. Otherwise, the image, measurement, and report will probably be mixed with former patients, and all the examined information may even be not saved. Press New Patient button to view the new patient information. Then press Probe button. You can switch between the probes connected to the system. Press Frequency button and then turn the value key to switch probe frequency. The main menu of the screen menu area has several pages at the state of real time. Pages can be switched between each other by pressing the turnover button. Image parameters can be adjusted by press F1 to F6, such as frame average, line average, dynamic range, edge enhancement, pseudo color, and so on. For example, continuously press F1 to F6, the corresponding parameter of the button will be changed. When we press F1, frame average is changed. And when we press F6, pseudo color is changed. Use the TGC button to adjust the gain from near field to far field. N5 has 8 segments TGC. Process the gain modulation to full field of image by revolving the auto knob. Use the E-speed function, could easily get the best image through only one button. Press Depth button and turn value knob to adjust the depth. Press Undo button to quit the adjusting processing. Press Focus button to enter the focus adjust processing. Turn value knob to increase or decrease the number of focuses. Use the trackball to select the position of each focus. Press Freeze button to freeze the image, and then move the trackball to move to the certain frame you want to check. Press B, BB, BM, M button can easily change the scanning mode. Most measurements can be done by N5, such as measuring distance, area, volume, ratio, and so on. When we need measure the distance, first press the distance button and move the trackball to a point. Press Set and move to another point. Press Set again. The distance between these 2 points will be measured. If you want to other measurements, press the measurement button. Then press F1 to F6 to choose the item you'd like to measure. Let's take an area for example. Press F2 to choose area, ellipse. Move trackball to one point and press Set. This point is the starting point of long axis. Then move trackball to change the length of the short axis to confirm the size of the ellipse. Then press Enter key, and the selected area will be measured. When image is frozen, the body marks light will on, and the menu becomes like this. Press F1 to F6 to choose the department you want. Move trackball and press Set button to confirm the body mark you want. And then move trackball to change the arrow position. Press Set button to confirm. Press the key node on the small keyboard area to enter text editing. Many medicinal vocabularies can be transferred from the device's database. In the note editing interface, press F1 to display the vocabulary database in the system hint area, and press the up-down key to choose the appropriate item. Press left or right key to flip. Then press Set to display the choosing item at the location of cursor blinking. Enter the arrowhead mark mode by pressing the arrowhead key on the small keyboard, and an arrowhead will be displayed on screen. Roll the trackball to move the arrowhead to the location to be marked, and turn the value knob to change the direction of arrowhead. Press Set to confirm the location of the arrowhead, and one arrowhead will appear on the screen. Press Snap and the system will save the image to the host, with a maximum of 16 images. All snapped images will be deleted when you switch to a new patient. Press Save, displaying this menu on the screen. Press F1 to save the image to the host. The file name can be defined by either the system or the user. Save successfully. File name is X. It'll appear at the bottom of the image if the system assigns the file name automatically, or the user enters the file name with keyboard and press Set. Press F2 to save the image. To UDisk, the file name is the current time. Please create new patient's information before storing image. Otherwise, the image cannot be saved. Press Load, displaying this menu on menu area. Press F1 to F6 to load images from different sources. While in real-time image, press F5, enter the page of patient data, PAT data. In the patient's information selecting area, please enter the patient's number, ID, or name by hand, and then press the button Select. Examine information will appear in the indication area. Press the button Browse to browse the examined image. Press the button Print to print a report.